Imagine this, a rich man, dressed in purple, living every day in luxury. At his gate, a beggar named Lazarus, broken and hungry, just hoping for crumbs. The world barely noticed Lazarus, but God did. One day, everything changed. Lazarus died, carried by angels to Abraham's side. The rich man also died, but his story was different. He found himself in torment, desperate for even a drop of water to cool his tongue. "Father Abraham, have mercy," he cried. "Send Lazarus, let him bring me relief." But Abraham replied, "Remember, in life you had everything, while Lazarus had nothing. Now he is comforted, and you are in anguish. And besides, there's a great gulf fixed between us. No one can cross from here to you, or from there to us." Desperate, the rich man pleaded, "Then send Lazarus to my family to warn my brothers so they don't end up here." But Abraham answered, "They have Moses and the prophets. Let them listen to them." Still the rich man begged, "But if someone rises from the dead, they'll listen." Abraham said, "If they won't listen to Moses and the prophets, they won't be convinced, even if someone rises from the dead." This story isn't just about riches or poverty. It calls me to look at my heart. Am I seeing the suffering at my own gate? Am I listening to the truth God has already given? Sometimes, the message I need is already right in front of me.